I am at the toy store, and there are so many new dolls! OMG! We just found LL Surprise OMG Dolls at Target. These dolls have an official release date of July 7th, 2019. They were $26.99 each. There are 4 dolls to collect in Series 1, Swag, Royal B, Lady Diva, and Neonlicious. On the front of the box, it says there are 20 surprises. Unbox fashions, dress me, strut your stuff, and there is a reusable dressing room. This is a fashion doll. On the side of the box, we can see the doll's name. On the other side, there is a picture of her sister. Hey sis! This one belongs to Royal B, Lady Diva, Swag, and Neonlicious. On the back of the box, it says, OMG, we sisters slay all day. We strut fierce style like the divas we are. And we march to the beat of our own DJ, making everything a little more outrageous. We stand out from the crowd and write our own set of rules. 'Cause we're here to surprise the world. Hashtag collect OMG. Well, I'm ready for the surprise, so let's do this. Starting with Lady Diva. On the side, it says start here, remove the plastic, remove the tape, then pull out the side to see a picture of Lady Diva. And there are surprises on the side. Unbox fashions. This looks like a little magazine. That's because it is. On the other side, it says fashion magazine. If we fold this in half, we have a doll magazine featuring Lady Diva. Give me the mic, turn on the spotlight, and just dance. I strut fashion, baby, 'cause I was born a star. Let's check out the other surprises. This is adorable. Miniature garment bags. It has a little hanger at the top, and it opens in the back, so you can take out a fuzzy pink jacket. In the other one, we have a black and white animal print skirt. We have a pink hat box. When we open it up, we have a headset, 2 necklaces, a choker, and a pair of snake earrings. She has a shoe box. Inside, I'm pretty certain we're gonna find shoes. So let's take a look at those. Wow. Okay, so she's really into her animal prints. We have a pair of pink and black snakeskin boots. Now if we pull this side out, we get to see the doll. She is in a dressing room. When we open the door, we see she's wearing a 2-piece outfit. Carefully remove all of the plastic from the box. Then carefully cut through the ties. There are plastic stays in the back of the head, which can be a little sharp, so let's carefully remove those. Remember to always have adult supervision when working with tools. Her hair is like a highlighter yellow with curly bangs and a ponytail. The hair is very long and it has some product in it, so the curls are kind of crunchy. She has very large eyes. She is wearing what looks like a snakeskin bathing suit with faux leather trim. Standing at 9.5 inches tall, let's check out that articulation. She has movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist. The leg can go forward and back at the hip, not really out to the side. And I believe this is, it's a bend and snap knee. But that is all of the range of motion. She stands on her tippy toes and has some serious nails. She comes with a doll stand, hairbrush, and another accessory, which is a purse. Excuse me, I have to get dressed. This little dressing room is pretty cool. I don't know if they're supposed to, but the hands can be removed, making it easier to put on the jacket. Metallic earrings, I like that. The headset is pretty loose. It won't take much to send that flying across the room. Oh, this is a belt, not a necklace. This is the necklace and the choker. And now she is ready for her close-up. I love that the box is reusable. You can store her and her stuff inside. Only I wish there was a way to hang the garment bags. Unfold a paper clip, bend it in half, bend the curved side forward, trim off the excess, glue a plastic gem on top, glue it into the box to make a hook for the garment bags. So now everything can be stored neatly inside. How are you liking that mirror in the dressing room? Hello! Up next is Neonlicious. Just pull the tab to reveal her picture. Bright colors, city lights, selfie, or it didn't happen. Always extra, never too much. Meow. She has her own magazine. She's a Gemini, whereas Lady Diva was an Aries. Her garment bags come in different colors. In the green one, we have a black and white jacket. It has a zipper on the side and little buckles. Lots of fun details. In the other one, we have a pink plastic neon overall dress. She has a yellow hat box. Inside, we have some accessories, glasses, earrings, a bracelet, and a hat. She has a small pink shoebox with, I'm betting it's sneakers. Yep, it's a serious pair of platform shoes. And now I would like to introduce you to Neonlicious. She has a squiggly mirror. Pull off the film and you get a great mirror. Neonlicious, we're just gonna call her Neon for short, is wearing a two-piece yellow and green outfit. She has crimped orange and pink hair with two long pieces hanging down in the front. If we want, we can use scissors to even out the hair. She has bright makeup with stars on her cheeks, teal nails, and these dolls do have some mild anatomically correct features, so you've been warned. Here she is, fully dressed. Let's check out the purse, which is a little doll, completing her one-of-a-kind look. The doll stand is pretty interesting. There are pieces on the bottom that can come out. Take the hook and place it on top to make a basic doll stand. There we go. Or you could take this smaller circle and put it on the stand to make a display, I'm guessing. Or maybe it's a chair. I'm just gonna use it as a doll stand. Royal Bee! Any relation to Queen Bee by any chance? Bam! I run my world. I create my own buzz. Fierce, fashionable, fabulous. Ooh, her garment bags are giving me some Louis Vuitton vibes here. One is long and the other is short. Inside of the long one, we find some dark metallic pants. They are kind of see-through. In the other bag, we have a black patent leather jacket with gold details and some really cool shoulders. Royal Bee is a Scorpio. She comes with a black hat box with gold sparkles. Inside, we have glasses that are purely for decoration, a gold belt, bracelet, and large gold metallic earrings. Now let's say hello to Miss B. She is wearing a gold and black bodysuit with knee-high socks that have a little gold shimmer, gold makeup, and gold curly hair. There's some really nice highlights here. It is very, very soft. She has two little knots on top with gold thread, and of course, gold nails. Fully dressed, I am liking this outfit. Oh, and this is not a bracelet. It is a choker. I am finding it very difficult to get this on. And it doesn't seem like their heads can be easily removed. So you know what? We're just gonna leave this off. Let's check out the purse. It is black and gold and reminds me of a beehive, completing her look. Last but not least, swag. I'm the baddest MC on the block and I've got mad swag. Excuse me. I just feel a little weird saying this, but okay. Back into character. You know I'm it when I see my tag. Catch me dripping in gold and spitting rhymes, cause I got fabulous in the bag. Oh, that was supposed to be a rap. She's a Leo. She has a long garment bag and a short one. In the long one, we have red pants with white stripes and gold studs going down the sides. In the smaller one, we have a matching jacket with white stripes on the sides and a faux zipper in the front. She comes with a gold hat box. Inside, we have 2 gold necklaces, a pair of sunglasses, and some large metallic earrings. In a red shoebox, we will find a pair of yellow boots. Making her debut at my Froggy stuff, here is swag. She comes dressed in a bodysuit and knee-high socks with painted stripes. Unfortunately, some of the paint has rubbed off. And we have a little paint rub on her lipstick as well. She has long blonde braids. Her hair is very thick. She has red painted nails and comes with a white and gold drawstring backpack. Here she is, fully dressed. I like the gold earrings. She is definitely coordinated head to toe. Overall, I really like how the doll packaging is reusable, pretty much giving us a small playset. And you know, reusing packaging is one of my favorite things. My favorites out of this line are definitely Royal Bee and Neonlicious. Although I think we're going to trim her hair. At $26 a piece, the whole line is over $100 to collect. I like all of the details and layers in the fashion, but I would have liked to have seen a more articulated knee. I think OMG's style has all the characteristics of LOL Surprise, but it totally reminds me of Bratz. But I can't get over how much I love the garment bags. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at LOL Surprise OMG. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.
And you all wanna be round, yeah, you all wanna be round a champion, a champion. It's just me, I'm still on it, cause you all wanna be loved, yeah, you all wanna be loved by a champion, yeah. All I wanna do is just say, you don't understand how I play, I am on my way to win you all.